Why do some Americans seem to build wealth effortlessly, while others work hard their whole lives without ever getting ahead? Is it just luck, or perhaps inheritance? Access to opportunity. Sure, those elements can play a part. But more often than not, the real difference lies elsewhere, not in income, education, or family background. It's about daily habits. Small repeated actions shape your financial future, sometimes without you noticing. Today, I'll reveal 7 powerful habits practiced by people who achieve wealth in the U.S., habits you can start applying right now, regardless of your salary or upbringing. Stick around until the end. The 7th habit is arguably the most transformative. Habit 1. Read and learn every day. Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey, they all dedicate daily time to reading and learning. Why? Because intellectual wealth often precedes financial wealth. Reading just 20 minutes a day can transform your life. Over a year, that's more than 7,000 minutes of knowledge. Imagine where that could take you in 5 years. Habit 2. Define clear goals and review them. Daily wealth isn't accidental, it's planned. Successful people don't drift through life. They know where they're headed, why, and how. Athletes don't train just to stay fit. They train with a specific goal in mind. Wealthy individuals do the same financially. Start tomorrow. Every morning, write down 3 specific goals for your day. At night, revisit them. Tracking and accountability create momentum. Habit 3. Practice financial discipline. Pay yourself first. This strategy is deeply rooted in American personal finance and consistently advocated by financial experts. Like Kiplinger, automate a portion of your income, whether it's 10%, 15%, or 20%, to go directly into savings or investments before you pay a single bill. Consider it a non-negotiable expense. That simple act, paying yourself first, builds your financial foundation and sets the stage for compounding growth. Kiplinger +1 Market Watch, INVESTOPEDIA. Habit. For take care of your physical and mental health. Even within American culture, health is recognized as a cornerstone of prosperity. You don't need to overdo it. Just 30 minutes of daily movement, quality sleep, and a few minutes of calm weather through meditation or reflection can greatly improve clarity and productivity. A healthy mind and body lead to better financial decisions. Habit 5. Cultivate high-quality relationships. You're the average of your 5 closest associates. Many wealthy Americans actively invest in their networks through mentorship, professional associations, or community groups. Kipling Think with niche.com. Strong connections can lead to opportunities, ideas, and support structures that fuel growth. Evaluate your current circle. Are they lifting you up or holding you back? Habit 6. Diversify your income streams. Relying on one paycheck is precarious in a modern economy. Wealthy Americans often build multiple revenue streams, side businesses, real estate rentals, investments, ensuring stability and flexibility. Time. Kiplinger. Start small. Maybe a freelance side hustle, investing in a diversified fund, or monetizing a hobby. Diversify gradually on consistently. Habit 7. Think long-term and delay gratification. This is often cited as the defining habit of true wealth builders, prioritizing long-term financial gain over immediate impulses. In the U.S., delaying gratification, investing in an IRA, 401k, or building an emergency fund is foundational to wealth growth. Market Watch, Kiplinger +1 Forbes. Visualize your desired financial life 10, 20 years from now. What daily choices start to align with that vision? Quick recap. 7 wealth-building habits for Americans. Read and learn daily. Set clear goals and review them every day. Pay yourself first to automate savings and investments. Prioritize your physical and mental health. Build and invest in meaningful relationships. Diversify your income sources. Think long-term and delay gratification. These habits require no initial wealth, just consistency, discipline, and intent. Which of these 7 habits will you begin today? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this inspiring, like, subscribe, and share with someone who could benefit from a mindset shift toward financial growth. Remember, your financial future isn't determined by luck or background. It's shaped by the habits you choose to build starting now.